Hello, football fans. If you're excited about catching all the action-packed moments from NFL Red Zone on YouTube TV, you're in the right place. Here's everything you need to know to get started and never miss a touchdown. First things first, NFL Red Zone is a special channel dedicated to showing live coverage of NFL games on Sundays, focusing on scoring plays and key moments. It's perfect for fans who want a thrilling, uninterrupted football experience. To access NFL Red Zone on YouTube TV, you'll need the Sports Plus add-on package. This package includes several sports-focused channels, with NFL Red Zone being a major highlight. To get this add-on, sign in to your YouTube TV account on a web browser or the app. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this guide, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite way to watch football on Sundays? Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile picture. Then go to Settings and look for Membership. Here you can browse available add-ons and select the Sports Plus package. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase, and NFL Red Zone will be added to your channel lineup. Once you've subscribed to the Sports Plus package, head to the Live tab in YouTube TV, and you should see NFL Red Zone listed among your channels ready for Sunday excitement. Remember, the channel is only live on Sundays during the NFL season, typically airing from 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Make sure to tune in during these hours to catch all the highlights and action as they happen. In addition to live coverage, don't forget to make use of YouTube TV's Cloud DVR feature. You can record the entire NFL Red Zone broadcast to re-watch your favorite plays at your convenience. If you're sharing your YouTube TV subscription through family sharing, ensure all members can access and enjoy NFL Red Zone by checking their profiles and channel lists. And there you have it, everything you need to know about watching NFL Red Zone on YouTube TV. Enjoy the thrill of football season, and remember, if you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more sports streaming advice. Thanks for tuning in, and happy game day.